Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add friends on your Locket Widget app. Now if you want to add friends on a Locket Widget app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Locket Widget app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Locket Widget app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the page of the Locket Widget app where you'll see the option of clicking photo, or you'll see the option of camera like icon and all of it, and under history you'll see the option of send of your first locket and all of it. So to add friends, you'll see the option of add a friend at the very top of the screen also. So you may simply click on the option of import your contacts and click on the option of continue, and you just need to give access to the Locket to your contact information and you'll be able to add friends from it directly. But if you don't want to do it from there and you just want to find friends from the other app, then you'll see the option of Instagram, WhatsApp, Message, Snapchat, Messenger, Telegram and all of it. So you just need to open the thing from where you want to add the friends on the Locket, and you just need to click on the option of your friend's name and click on the option of send at the very top right. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to send them a invitation link, and if they follow the link, then they will be able to become your friends on the Locket Widget app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.